about it. Personally, I'm ready for war. I told you the last time that you fortify yourself. So people will say, why will a pastor say?
Ẹ wá gbọ́ tuntun ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tí pásítọ̀ sọ. Pásítọ̀ lóun rédíò Ogun ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ dìde ẹ má jẹ́ ká Fúlàní gbalẹ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹ má jẹ́ ká gbalẹ̀ wa ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn náà bá wọlé bọ̀ wọ́n fẹ́ gba ilẹ̀ wa ni wọ́n fẹ́ lé wa kó lórí ilẹ̀ wa ẹ̀yin ọmọ Odùduwà ẹ má dẹ ẹ̀yin Ọọ̀ni Ifẹ̀ ẹ̀yin bàbá wa Ọọ̀ni àtọ̀ nílé Ifẹ̀ àti ọba tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jẹ náà ẹ má wo àwọn Fúlàní ìran kan gbalẹ̀ bàbá mọ́ wa lọ́wọ́ kan gbalẹ̀ bàbá wa mọ́ wa lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin náà ẹ múra ogun pásítọ̀ lóun ti múra ogun everybody múra ogun ká pọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn tì ẹ má jẹ́ ká bára wa jà mọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká fèsì àwọn Fúlàní ká má ba lè gba ilẹ̀ bàbá wa òun lè rè táwa lè rí jẹ.
The Yoruba indigene. I want to talk to you all. And I want you to listen and accept what I'm about to say. I said they are already usurping you from your villages all over Yoruba State. In Ogun State, Osun State, Ondo State,
Anambra State,
even Anambra State, even the Igbo lands as well. People are already entering those places. And they're already overtaking you people in your various states. What we are saying right now, this is not about religion. Whether you're a Christian
Muslim,
or you're a Muslim, and we are Yoruba traditional worshippers, this is time we must band together to fight for our father's land so that they don't overtake us in it. Don't let them use religion to take over our land. All those villages they've taken over in Ondo State, when they wanted to kill, they killed Christian and Muslim alike. They are fighting for the land. They are not fighting for religion. They are just coming through the lens of religion. But I'm telling you all Yoruba people, please be prepared. Nigerians at large, please be well prepared so that they don't take you away from your father's land. And calling on to the royalties in Yoruba land. The Oni of Ife, the Imperial Majesty. Akiyesi, we greet you, sir. Please talk about this. The new Alaafin, please talk about this. All the kings in Ondo State. The kings in Lagos, Oyo, Oshun, please talk about this. Because when the war overwhelms us, we will not be able to do anything about it. Personally, I'm ready for war. I told you the last time that you fortify yourself. So people will say, why will a pastor utter that kind of statement? Please go and fortify yourself. Because when war comes, I will drop my Bible. I will go and fight for my father's land. When the Christianity come into Nigeria,
1842.
It came in 1842. That was when it came in. And the first person to compile the Bible, his name is Williams.
On the 6th.
They killed him on the 6th. 1536. They burnt him. He was lynched. The person that compiled the Bible for us. So don't let us put religion into our culture or for fight for our father's land. I will fortify myself and I'll be a leader. And if you can fortify people, fortify them. We will fight that war. I will drop my Bible because of my father's land. Because the Bible says it. Hebrews 6 verse 1. It says, set aside the teachings of Christ and let us do what is complete. We will now put it aside. Let's fight for our father's land. And we tell Jesus to help us. To help us in the war for our father's land. That's what we are going to do. When Jesus was caught, a disciple drew out his sword. His name is Peter. He cut off the ear of one of the soldiers. He cut off the ear of one of the soldiers. Jesus said, no. Keep your sword back in the shirt. That when the time comes, if you have a cloth, go and sell it. When the time comes, if you have sandal, you will sell it. Go to Luke 22. So, please don't leave the things of your father and the land of your father. Christianity does not stop me from fighting for my father's rights. So if you are Yoruba indigene, don't just fold your hands. Don't let them take over our father's land from us. God will help us. Our ancestors would help us.